Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you the AutoBitcoin Faucet website. You know about that website. Lot of past day lot of videos I make about that website. Right now I share with you one thing about that website. You love it to hear it. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is the website name is AutoBitcoin. This website link in description. Right now my level reaching in 8 level, and this much bonus this website pay me every time I want to exchange my tokens to currency. Okay, this is the all available currency you can exchange your tokens. Okay, right now this all is 0 because I didn't exchange my tokens. Okay, first I told you about the earning. The earning is very easy. Go to free earning. You can visit short links for earning. This much tokens I have right now, and this is available link to you can watch after this hour. Okay, this all tokens I earn just in 10 minutes. Okay, I show you how much I earn in just 10 minutes. Okay, this is very easy, and this is the all short links you can visit, and the tokens they pay you. Okay, and this is the all short links available. And right now you can go to free. You can click mining. You can just start mining. Okay, and you can earn tokens. Don't waste your time to mining. Okay, you can go to GUI mining or any like of mining you want. Okay, this all mining websites, and you can go to the offer walls. You can complete offers, pay you much more cryptocurrency. Okay, much more tokens. This is the FTS tokens every 40 seconds pay you, and this is all shorts, and you can go and watch and make a lot of tokens with another ways. Okay, this is all offer wall tokens you can make. Okay, this one told you to watch 10 video in background, pay you tokens. Okay, and this is all you can watch with the PTC hats too. And right now I show you how you can exchange your tokens to any cryptocurrency. First is auto claim pay you some bonus if you have time. If you have much more tokens, you can click auto faucet. Like right now I want to exchange to Litecoin. Which wallet do you want to put? My wallet is Faucet Pay. 10 minute 2% bonus they pay you. Okay, just about the faucet, this is the all about. Okay, and this is the all things that pay you every this much tokens. Okay, this much Litecoin and this much bonus pay you. Okay, this is the all things every 10 minutes they instantly sent to your Faucet Pay account. Okay, right now I share with you my Faucet Pay account. I don't have any cryptocurrency right now. Available balance is right now is 0. My available balance is 0 because I collect all my faucet. Okay, and this much pay you every 10 minutes. Just you can claim. Okay, if the claim is ready, just reload the page to share with you the first payment received from AutoBitcoin. This is very easy. Every 10 minutes they send you this much. Okay, and this will take this much time to finish. This is just about the bonus if you want to take. If you don't want to take, just go to manual claim. Manual claim you can exchange very easy. Select your currency. This is all cryptocurrency available in this website. I select Litecoin because I need Litecoin. I click all maximum. This much the all my balance. This is the all my bonus to pay you. Okay, this what about the bonus? If you reach level, this is your bonus. If you reach much more level, the bonus you can take much more. Okay, and right now go to manual again. I exchange my cryptocurrency to all tokens to Litecoin. Okay, this much Litecoin pay me. If you want to exchange Dogecoin, this much Dogecoin to pay me. Any cryptocurrency you want, you just select it, you can exchange. Okay, this is all cryptocurrency available in this website, and you can exchange. You can exchange to Bitcoin too. Okay, and this much Satoshi, this website pay me. If I exchange this much bonus, this website pay me. And right now I want to exchange to Litecoin. Select a capture like self capture and click claim. Okay, and okay, this is the go to withdrawal to show you, and this is the Litecoin right now I have. Now I can withdraw my Litecoin instantly in my Faucet Pay. Just click withdrawal, and this much Litecoin I withdraw in past 20 minutes ago. And select your payment, Express Crypto or Faucet Pay. I have a Faucet Pay. Click, this is my email address of Faucet Pay. Click maximum, click solve capture. You can choose any capture you want. For me is solve capture is best, and click withdraw. Okay, this website pay you instantly, and you can refresh your website. This is the Litecoin I receive instantly in my account. Okay, this one is the best way you can earn cryptocurrency. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. This website link in description. If you watch all short links or complete all offers, you can earn 1 Litecoin or off Litecoin in 1 day. And if you refer your friends, and you can get some bonus, and you can make much more. Okay, right now available is this much. Okay, every 1 hour you come here, reload, and this website show you available. Okay, the watching is little bit harder. If you have a fast internet connection, you can watch all of these in just 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour work, you can make much more cryptocurrency. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this website, you can comment me, and I make a much more video about like this website. Okay, thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe to my channel, and bye bye.